Let's get started.
Kind of a whining noise on the Hummer, so I checked out the differential.
Simple operation: remove the fuel plug, install the fluid, and replace the fill plug on the differential. On the transactional, it's a little different. You can still use the ratchet, and then you're using trans fluid, and you might need a syringe. That syringe came in really helpful. You guys know I've been mucking with that heat shield, coils, wires, plugs, checking them out. And I did a temporary fix on that heat shield, just wrap some hanger wire around it.
So with the steering pretty well taken care of, I'm trying some four-wheeling in a small trail here at San Miguel. We're going to try to get to the beach. Well, other than getting some Arizona pinstripe, which is all right, the truck performed pretty well. No squeaks and creaks I can't deal with.
subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.